Hi guys, it's Marie here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Wednesday. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect bag. If you're like me, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit notification bell, and let's enjoy bags and other little luxury things together. Today guys, I'm going to share a little luxury haul unboxing of items I recently purchased on the summer sale, plus a little bit of extra, including a luxury bag unboxing at the end. So stay tuned and let's start. We begin with the jewelry section of this video. You know I've been recently really about jewelry, especially rings. And here we have a ring from the brand called Timeless Pearly. I purchased that on the summer sale on the Matches Fashion website. That's a really interesting brand, what I read on their website. Their workshop is based in Paris and every single piece is handmade in this workshop. The brand is popular and famous for their bold, attention-grabbing jewelry. Their website is amazing. I'm going to leave the link below as always so you can easily shop this video. So that's my first item, my first purchase from Timeless Pearly, and it's this massive ring. It's a blue crystal in the middle and it's a gold plated. I love how statement this ring is. I accessorized that with a tiny little rings as well, including my Cartier Justin Clou, but I love how it's independent, even on its own. Love it. It actually comes with a different color stones, and I've also was eyeing for kind of like a magenta color, but between the blue, this crystal blue, and the magenta, I went for this crystal blue. Absolutely beautiful. I've been wearing this ring non-stop since I purchased that a couple of weeks ago, guys, and I've received so many compliments about it and people asking, oh, where did you get it? So yeah, please check this out. And I love it so much that I'm not going to take it out till the end of this video, so I will continue wearing it as well. And we're moving to the next item, and here we have a necklace, and it's from the Greek brand called HERMINA Athens. Their workshop and their studio is based in Athens in Greece, and the whole jewelry concept is about the Greek roots, the Greek mythology, and I love that idea so much. It's like it brings you a little bit of the Greek summer. Love it. My beautiful necklace called Nebula, and it's inspired by the French illusionist and film director. And it's very unusual abstract piece, comes with this chain necklace as well. And I absolutely love it. I love the idea that you can wear this necklace just like that on its own in one length, but then it's long enough to create a double length as well. I'm not sure if you can see that properly with my hair, but I'm going to demonstrate that on the side as well with a proper type of wear for this sort of necklace. What do you think? Absolutely love it. It's a gold plated as well, and I love how unusual it is. It's a kind of like a smashed piece of metal, and that's what I love about this tiny little abstract piece. And next piece on my luxury fashion haul is the sunglasses. Ta-da! By the box you already can see that it's a Gucci sunglasses. I'm not going to lie by saying that I absolutely love Gucci sunglasses because they're boxes. Unfortunately, the pair that I purchased last year on the summer sale as well, actually, I lost that pair. That's why I was like, I need a replacement. And this one come along. I absolutely love this beautiful, gorgeous, sophisticated glass box case. Absolutely beautiful, so tactile. Then inside we have this little Gucci pouch for the Gucci sunglasses. I love these little pouches and I absolutely respect the brands when the VR sunglasses comes with the little pouches, not just a case, because my mini bags. You know, I don't have a capacity in my bags to carry this massive case, when with a little pouch, it's easily to do. That goes there, so easy, so nice. And I love how the pouch, with a tiny little branding there as well, color matching the case. Love it. And the sunglasses themselves, which is like minor addition to all of those cases and the pouches here. Voila. My new pair of the Gucci sunglasses. What do you say, guys? What do you think? Do they suit me? Leave your comments below. What I can say about them, I love the price point of them probably more than anything else. I purchased them for £153 on the summer sale on the Matches Fashion website. I'm going to leave the link below, guys, for you to check out. I think it's a bargain. With the original price of over £240, I think it's a bargain. Plus, we are still in the middle of the summer and I will have so many opportunities to wear them. And one more thing, I really like how logo on my sunglasses and on my Gucci Aphrodite bag is matchy. A tiny little great addition to my outfit. And the next couple of items, I haven't purchased them on the summer sale. It's full price items. I'm going to grab this super heavy My Theresa box. Here we go. And I'm just going to say to you guys, it's only 2 items. Just the 2 items there. But the box is incredibly heavy. It's amazing quality. It feels very luxe. It's incredible box. I love it, absolutely love it. But oh my god, guys, it's so heavy. I'm actually struggling to lift it up. No joke. And the other thing which surprised me, I usually purchase my items on the Net-a-Porter or Matches Fashion. I mentioned that so many times. I would say I'm rather rare guest to My Theresa website. And this time, guys, in the middle of summer sale, despite the fact that I was actually purchasing the items at their full price and I was on 2 items, I was waiting over 2 weeks. I think it's a bit too long, you know, for the luxury items, especially when you're paying so much for them. Wait over 2 weeks for your delivery. When with a Net-a-Porter, and especially with the Matches Fashion, it doesn't usually takes longer than 3 working days. Okay, let's have a look what inside there. As I said, it's only 2 items. I've already unboxed them, already tried them on. I just want to show them to you. Loads of paper. And here, as a number 1, we have this gorgeous cardigan from Area with amazing, beautiful crystals on the side. I love the idea how this cardigan is actually like ripped in some parts, but at the same time has that absolutely gorgeous crystals on left shoulder and at the bottom over there. It's a 50% wool and 50% cotton. It feels really, really nice. Super warm, super warm. And those beautiful crystals, guys, I just can't take my eyes off them. And I love how it also has kind of like a oversized feeling to that. So whenever you feel like, you know, meh, today, that's your beautiful companion, just to make you feel warmer and beautiful. And to match this beautiful cardigan, I've got a pair of jeans from Area as well. I've seen Beyonce wearing the same pair of jeans and I'm like, wow, I want them. I love them. And when I saw them on the website first time, I was even more impressed how they looked on the website rather than on Beyonce. And this is what I'm talking about. Those famous Area jeans with a little rip in the middle. It doesn't go as down as the knee part, so it's more like a thigh part, like a middle thigh, and crystals again. Look at this, guys. Absolutely gorgeous and they look so beautiful. But more than the crystals, what I like about those jeans, it's that heart-shaped bum part. It looks absolutely gorgeous and beautiful, and it's just a little hard, just a little hard, just to get everyone's attention. I'm absolutely wearing them for one of my friend's birthday in a couple of weeks. I just can't wait. Yes, it's not your regular, regular casual pair of jeans. No, it's not like that. But what I like about them, that you can easily wear them with a pair of trainers, just to kind of like cool the tone down, but at the same time they would look absolutely gorgeous with a pair of heels. I'm planning to wear the cardigan and the jeans together. I also planning to wear jeans with a simple white t-shirt, no additional decorations, maybe some jewelry, and that's it. And yes, I am planning to match the gold jewelry with those just the white crystals with like a silver hardware. I find that quite interesting and I love the idea. What do you think, guys, about this style, about this little heart on the little bum? Tell me what you think in the comments below as well. And we are moving to the last part of this video. I want to share with you my latest bag purchase, and it's a Saint Laurent bag. Let's do that. Okay, I'm just grabbing the box, putting all of that aside, and voila. Yes, it is a bag. Yes, it's quite unusual shape of Saint Laurent box. We're all used to kind of like a more like a squarish one. Here we have a more like a long box, but yes, it is a bag. Let's open up. It looks like a, like a flower box, but like a flower delivery, but no, it's still a Saint Laurent bag. And what we have here, nice beautiful dust bag. I love Saint Laurent dust bags. They feel really thick, very luxurious and nice. I do like when the luxury brands put their attention to those tiny little details, because it's a part of their luxury identity and their luxury branding. Moving on from there, we also have in the box a Saint Laurent little book, Matches Fashion, where I purchased this bag, a little tag there as well, and moment of truth, mama, voila. And here we have Saint Laurent Seed Tube bag. One of my dearest YouTube friends asked me to do the review on this bag, and I'm like, oh, I actually have never heard about this tube bag. So I started researching it and I fell in love with this bag so much that I pulled the trigger and I just purchased that. Look at this unusual shape. Beautiful, like cylindric. And it's just, I don't know, it's gorgeous. It feels so tactile. This beautiful, nice leather. Quilted leather from the Saint Laurent. We have also a logo on the front, but it's so tiny, it's not in your face. And inside, what we have inside, let's have a look. Lots of tissue paper, as always. And one massive big hole inside with a card slot pocket. And that's it. I'm obviously going to use that bag for a while. I haven't been using that at all yet. It's, as you can see, it's just fresh from the box. I'm going to use that a lot, and I'm going to do the full review just to show you what this bag is all about. And I hope I will love it. Let me just remove that thing so I can just reveal the bag in full. Dun, 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 dun. I hope I will like the bag in real life and using it as much as I love it on the picture. And thank you very much, my dearest YouTube friend, for bringing my attention to this little unusual beauty. And it's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoy this little unboxing on SAINT LAURENT SAINT bag. I forgot to say that this bag is in the small size and a little bit of extra from my summer sale purchases. What do you think about my purchases? Please leave your comments below and please share what you purchased on the summer sale. I would love to know that. And also please subscribe, hit notification bell, thumbs up if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!